In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an autoresponder and GetResponse. Setting up an autoresponder is a crucial part of managing your email marketing funnel, as it allows you to automate responses and ensure consistent communication with your subscribers. Let's dive into the process and get started. First, navigate to the GetResponse dashboard. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll need to do that first. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the top menu and find the option labeled Tools. This is where you'll find the DNA of GetResponse's functionalities. Click on Tools to open up the next set of options. From there, you'll see a menu with various functionalities you can use. What you want to do next is click on Autoresponders. Autoresponders are a key feature, and this is where you'll manage them. Once in the Autoresponder section, look for the Create Autoresponder button. Clicking this will take you to the next phase of setting up your automated emails. When you click Create Autoresponder, you might be presented with a couple of options. Choose the option that says By Myself. This option allows you to have complete control over your autoresponder's design and setup, catering it to exactly what you need. Now it's time to enter some key details. Type in a name for your autoresponder and choose the appropriate list from your existing contacts that you want to associate with this autoresponder. The naming process is where you imprint your objective, so make it descriptive and intuitive for future management. Next, you'll need to select the timing for when the autoresponder should be triggered. You'll do this by clicking on Day and selecting the specific day. It could be the first day when someone subscribes, or you could choose another day based on your communication plan. Before proceeding, always double-check the email you've associated with the autoresponder settings to avoid any mix-ups. Once confirmed, you'll need to type in the subject line for the email that will be sent. The subject line is crucial as it's your first impression. Keep it engaging and clear. If necessary, you have the option to attach a file to your autoresponder email, though if you decide against it, you can click Cancel to skip this step. Once everything checks out, click Close to move on. Moving forward, click on Design Message. Here you can choose to use template, allowing you to build your email based on predefined designs to save time. You can also click into the templates to make any necessary edits and align them with your branding and message. Once you're satisfied with the design, move ahead by clicking Next. This will lead you to the final step where you should click Save and Publish to set your autoresponder live. Congratulations, your autoresponder is all set up, ensuring that your subscribers receive timely emails automatically.